Hey, what's going on? It's Ed from Philly Speed 215, and today I'm going to show you a video of my new microphone for my GoPro setup, for my motovlog setup. It's this, the PowerDeWise. It's a good video. It's a good microphone. I'm gonna show you two footages. The first footage is of my Purple Panda with my Purple Panda microphone, and the second footage is with my PowerDeWise microphone. Hope I'm saying it right. Hope I don't slaughter it too much, but yeah, this is like for interviewing and everything. So the second video, I'm gonna warn you, the sound was pretty muffled. However, what I had, I clipped it onto the chin mount, so it was under my chin. And what I did was I took some electrical tape, brought it up to where it's right in front of my mouth. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you view both footages. Peace. tire stickers. Nice little walk around. I gotta clean that stuff off. I done got all that stuff all over it, so I gotta clean the bottom of that section off. Yeah, I love my tire stickers. Need to wash her up. I love this bike. I love it. The only thing it's missing is the quick shifter, self-canceling turn signals. I like the wide old rear tire, that 240. Looking awesome. I gotta put some more glue on there. But yeah, this is my baby. This is my baby. I hope it transmitted. They got a nice little stream over here. It stinks. It stinks. Nice little stream. I just want to test out my new microphone. Get back on her. Let's go. All right, thank you for watching, and this is my cat. His name's Mufasa, but I call him Kitty. He my best friend. Probably, if I was to die, he'll probably eat me. But anyway, thank you for watching. Smash that like button and on your way out, if you want to, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell notification so you'll be aware when I upload new videos. I'm here with Philly Speed 215. Peace.